Hi, ECD 230 students. Here's how you enter a portfolio item or a photograph, also known as a photograph, into COR Advantage. I've logged into my COR Advantage account. You can see my name over here, Beth Sample. Your name will be your semester and your year followed by your first name. If you're not on your draft page, you can hit New Observation, and this will bring you to your draft page. Just like entering anecdotes, to enter a photo, you're going to go over to the bottom right-hand corner and click the plus sign and going to select Upload Photo or Video. All right. I'm going to select the file to add to COR Advantage. So I'm going to go over to My Pictures. You're going to go wherever your photos are stored. Here's my photo of Nani. So I'm going to click Upload that. All right, there is my photo. I'm going to click on the photo, and much like my anecdotes, I have the same screen here. So I'm going to go back and click the date this happened, which was last Thursday. So now my date is correct. I can write an anecdote, but I don't have to. It depends on what I'm trying to capture here. So in this case, I'm just going to say, looking at a leaf as my caption. I am going to just add a quick note. I'm going to put during morning outside time, Nani found a leaf and said, I found a really big leaf. It looks even bigger in this. And I'm just going to add so people understand, meaning the magnifying glass. All right, during morning outside time, Nani found a leaf and said, I found a really big leaf. It looks even bigger than this. And I need to add that note for this photo because I want to understand that she said the word leaf, and I also want I also want to capture that she said it's bigger when she looks through the magnifying glass. If it was a piece of artwork or something like that, I wouldn't have to add an anecdote, but in this case I do. I'm going to save it. I'm going to assign Nani, just like I did with an anecdote. I'm going to go over to my tags. I'm going to choose COR Advantage, Science and Technology. I think this one is in the natural and physical world. And let's see our levels. Picks up or examines or uses a natural object or material. Well, she definitely did that. Let me go a higher level. Child names an object or event in the natural or physical world. Let me see what this one looks like. I'm going to go look at the example anecdotes. At outside time, Preston looked at the sky, pointed to the moon and said moon. At choice time, Taylor looked out the window at the snow and said snow cold. Well, I think she's definitely at this level. A higher level is initiate or talks about performing an action helpful to plants or animals. Well, she didn't do this, so I'm confident that level 2 is the correct level. So I'm going to save this. She also talked about something being bigger, so I'm curious if I can use that for a math item. Let's go see. What about measurement? Directly compares or orders things based on measurable attributes. Well, she talked about bigger, but she didn't directly compare it. So I think I'm just going to be at a level 3. Let me go check that. My sled is fastest. Look, my barn is really big. Yeah, I'm thinking she might be close to a level 4, but since I don't have the exact evidence for that, I'm going to stick at the level 3. So I'm going to save that. Right? It's still appearing in my draft screen, so I have to remember to save it to moments. That's up here in the upper right-hand corner. Now when I go look at my moments over here on my left menu, there's my photo. This is my earlier anecdote. When I go look at assessments, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4 items assessed. So I'm well on my way to my 20 assessment items. I hope this helps. Enjoy entering your 5 pieces of portfolio evidence into your COR Advantage.